How to change your profile picture on Messenger. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change your profile photo on Messenger. For that, you'll have to open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Changing your profile photo on Messenger is quite simple. Here's how you can do it. On this page, at the top left corner, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Click on those 3 horizontal lines to access more menu. And at the right side of your profile name, you'll find the settings or the gear icon to access your profile page. And on your profile page, here you will find camera icon positioned just above your profile photo. Now to change your profile photo, you just simply have to click on this camera icon right here and you will be presented with 2 options at the bottom. You will be given the options to either take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. Select the desired option and choose the photo you want to use. If you want to use this choose from gallery option, click on the second option and now choose a photo from your gallery. After you choose the photo from your gallery, you can also customize it as per your preferences. Now after doing this, click on this done option at the top right corner. Once you do so, you will have to click on this save profile picture option to make the changes. Go ahead and tap on this option right at the bottom. Give it a moment and then you will see you have successfully changed profile photo on Messenger. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.